Come test drive the 2026 Pilot. This vehicle is powered by a 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: body color door handles, perimeter alarm, inside you'll find smart device integration, trip computer, power rear window sunshades, tinted glass, leather-wrapped steering wheel, compass, optimal utility, indulgent interior, powerful performer. You'll be ready for almost anything in the Honda Pilot. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.